Creating items in Roblox requires you to have a Builders Club membership and access to the Roblox website. Here's a concise guide. Log in. Sign into your Roblox account and ensure you have a Builders Club membership. This is a requirement for creating and selling items. Access the Create page. Click the Create tab at the top of the Roblox website. From there, select Create New and choose Start Creating. Choose an item type. Select the type of item you want to create, such as a hat, shirt, or accessory. Design your item. Use the Roblox Studio to design your item. You can create 3D models, texture them, and add animations or scripts. Follow Roblox's guidelines and quality standards. Configure your item. Set pricing, define the item's category and genre, and choose whether it's for sale or limited. Add thumbnails and icons. Create compelling thumbnails and icons for your item to make it attractive to potential buyers. Testing. Use the Roblox Studio to test your item to ensure it functions as intended. Publish your item. Once you're satisfied, click the Publish to Roblox button. Your item will undergo a moderation process to ensure it meets Roblox's guidelines. Promote your item. Share your item with the Roblox community through the Create page, social media, and relevant groups. Engaging with the community can help boost sales. Manage sales and revenue. Track your item's sales and earnings through the sales section of your Roblox account. You can also withdraw your earnings.